Today we are looking at Sony's latest flagship true wireless earbuds, the Sony WF-1000XM6. These are the newest premium earbuds from Sony, and they built these on the success of the WF-1000XM5. In this video we will break down the first look and the key upgrade Sony made, and whether these earbuds are worth your money and worth upgrading to if you already have the WF-1000XM5. Let's jump in. First look. Straight out of the box, the Sony WF-1000XM6 feels like a premium pair of wireless earbuds. The case looks refined and more compact, and the earbuds themselves feel comfortable and secure in the ear. The overall design feels slightly slimmer and more modern compared to the XM5, and the charging case has a more solid and premium finish. For people who wear earbuds for long listening sessions, these feel lighter and easier to keep in your ears all day. Key features and 5 major changes Sony made. Now let's talk about the 5 biggest changes and upgrades Sony brought. Improved sound quality. Sony redesigned the speakers and tuning in the XM6, resulting in clearer, richer sound than the XM5. Low end feel punchier, mids are more balanced, and high notes are smoother, which makes music even more enjoyable. Stronger noise cancellation. The WF-1000XM6 takes active noise cancellation a step further. Sony has enhanced the ANC so it blocks even more background noise, especially low rumble like traffic and airplane cabin sounds, making these earbuds better for travel and busy environments. Better connectivity and Bluetooth stability. Sony improved the Bluetooth performance, which makes the connection more stable and reliable. You will notice fewer dropouts and smoother switching between devices when compared to the older generation. Comfort and fit upgrades. The shape of the earbuds and tips changed to feel lighter and sit more naturally in the ear. Because the fit is better, it also helps the noise cancellation work even more effectively and improves overall comfort for long-term wear. Practical controls and usability. Sony added refined tape and touch controls, and the rotating case design makes vertical content shooting easier for some creators. The interface feels more intuitive and straightforward than before. Another subtle and appreciated change is that these earbuds support better adaptive sound features, adjusting ANC and ambient sound based on your activity. Final verdict: should you buy? So the big question here is, are the Sony WF-1000XM6 worth buying, and are they any better than the XM5? If you are using older earbuds right now and want top-tier sound quality, stronger noise cancellation and improved comfort, then of course yes, the WF-1000XM6 are absolutely worth it. They feel like a real upgrade in everyday use, especially if you listen to music or podcast a lot, travel frequently, or work in noisy environments. But if you already own the WF-1000XM5, the improvements are noticeable but not massive. The ANC, fit, and connectivity are of course better, but it may not be a dramatic enough change for everyone. In terms of price, these earbuds launched in the premium range, around $349 in most regions, which is competitive for flagship true wireless earbuds. Overall, if you want the best Sony has right now, the WF-1000XM6 are one of the strongest options available in 2026. If this review helped you decide whether the Sony WF-1000XM6 is worth it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to SmartTechRadar for more honest tech comparisons and reviews. I'll see you in the next one.